Hello friends, I am Deepak. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am back here to present you one of our recent project which is designed to control the devices and to monitor the remote location. We are naming it as a home automation, but it can be used for any of the industry, any of the remote location where the person availability is either possible or not. So what exactly we have done in it? It is having the provision of controlling the devices and monitoring the parameters such as gas percentage, light intensity and the temperature of the remote location from the remote position either on our phone or on our website. So I'm also showing you on our system. Here you can see we are having one web page which is designed by us and showing the three parameters, that is light intensity, temperature and the gas. Along with that, we have also given the provision of controlling the devices which are there at the remote location. We have given the name as a fan, heater, machine and the tube light, right? So let's have a look at what exactly we are doing in it. It is having the technology that we have used is Raspberry Pi and the Arduino Nano board. You can see we are doing the communication with the Raspberry Pi serially with the Arduino Nano board. This is the Arduino Nano board that we have used, and this is the Raspberry Pi 4 board. Along with that, we have connected three of the sensors. One is the LDR, second is thermistor for the temperature, LDR is basically for the light intensity calculation, and third one is the gas sensor, right? So we have connected these three sensors to the Arduino board to get the input to monitor the parameters of that remote location, and continuously the Arduino Nano board is sensing these values and sending serially to the Raspberry Pi. Because we have done the IoT module at the Raspberry Pi part, so it is taking the input from the Arduino Nano and transmitting it to the remote location, which can be accessed by using this website. Currently you can see the light intensity is 41%, temperature is 22.93 and the gas percentage is 0 because there is no gas leakages over there. Other than that, one more provision we have put into this is basically sometimes if there is any internet connection or the person is not available at the remote location, so if somebody want to do it on the manual basis at the remote position, they can do it by the audio, not by the switching on the buttons and all. So for that, what we have done, we have placed one button so that the person who is available at the remote location can easily change the mode from the IoT to the audio mode. And there is one audio jack that we have given in this, to which we will connect the mic, and he can give the command of the device so that no interference will be there between the machine and the user other than an audio system, right? So these are the things that we are going to do in this particular project. The whole code is designed by using the Python in the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino coding by using Arduino IDE. So firstly, let's have a look at how it is connected. This is Raspberry Pi, to which we have given the power supply of 5 volt. Along with that, we have connected one screen so that the code whatever we have designed can be represented to you. One audio jack for the audio input is connected. One serial cable is over there to do the communication between the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino Nano. One buzzer is for beeping in case if there is something related to these parameters to monitor the person at the particular location. It can be done by using this buzzer. A 4 device relay card is connected so that 4 devices can be controlled by the voice or by the remote location. To this we have connected one of the extension in which those 4 devices can be connected easily. Other than that, as I already told, 3 sensors are there. One is gas, one is LDR and third one is the temperature. Now let's start with the demonstration of this particular project. For that, I am connecting the mic to the mic section. As an input we have given the mic, so I'm placing it over here. Other than that, we are connecting one mouse so that I can run the code and can show you the code on the Raspberry Pi section. So I have connected the mouse as well as the audio jack. This is the particular code that we have designed in the Raspberry Pi. I'm going to run it. When I'm running this code, initially as no command is over there, so whatever will be sent the starting system, and you can see whatever the previous command was sent by the remote location will be switched on. Currently, as I have clicked on the button, so you can see the heater command on is given to the board and one relay is get on, right? So what I'm going to do, we are changing the device. As I'm clicking on the fan, you can see when I have clicked on the fan, the command is received by the Raspberry Pi and two devices are on right now. So I'm clicking on the tube light, you can see tube is received and third device get on. Here you can see. Now I'm again clicking to the fan. So the fan will be received. This is done. And you can see now only two devices are on over there. So these are the things that how the devices can be controlled from the remote location. Now I'm going to demonstrate how these values of these monitoring parameter, temperature, light intensity and the gas sensor. Let's have a look to the light intensity firstly. Currently at the remote location, you can see the light intensity is 87%. If I'm going to put a hand over it, for example, if I'm putting hand, the light intensity is to be 73, 81. So the light intensity is varying, and if I'm going to give light to it, now I'm going to change the temperature. I'm holding it as my hands are warm. You can see the temperature values are going to be changed. It is currently 20.65 as I am holding it, so it will take some time to refresh it. 20.36, 20.55. Let me place one heating object to it. So I'm placing one soldering iron to this sensor so that it can easily be represented. Temperature, as you can see, I have placed one heating element. So as it is taking some time to refresh every time, so obviously will take some time to refresh the values over there. Now next move to the gas sensor. You can see once the gas is placed to it, the buzzer is over there. So it is giving that there is some gas leakage or something like that as an alarm to the user, so that they can take the appropriate action, as well as this percentage will be sent to the remote location. So this was the demonstration of the IoT module over there in this project. Now the other feature that I have already talked about is the manual mode, in which if person is at the location and want to control the devices which are connected, they can do it by the audio. So you can see there is one switch that we have placed over it. When I will click over it, you can see the screen will show that the button is pressed. So button pressed. Now it is ready to here take the command. So I am taking the mic. This mic is over there. So I am speaking fan. So fan command, F command is sent, and the device gets switch on. Tube light. So tube light is considered, and the out of 4 now only one, which is fan, is switched on. So this is how these devices can be controlled by the audio as well as the remote IoT location. Now once this command is given, again we can move to the remote location and can give the command. I'm clicking on the machine, it will receive machine, and 2 of the devices get on. So this is all about this application, in which multiple technologies as audio recognition, the serial communication between the Arduino and the Raspberry Pi, then the IoT domain, then PHP is used for designing this page, and the gas sensor, the temperature sensor and the light intensity sensor are also used to monitor the location. So by using such technologies and the latest coding languages as Python and all, we can design number of applications which can be helpful to the society and can give you the realistic applications. So I hope you people like this video, and for more information you can contact us directly, and even more modifications are possible in it. So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned, kindly subscribe and like our video. Thank you very much.